Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is V and you're watching Buzzing with V. Let's go ahead and get on into it. We're making some bottle shaker embellishments featuring Scrap Diva Designs Poison Bottle Shaker. This is her information. I will have everything linked below. Be sure to check it out. There's so much going on for Halloween and you do not want to miss it. Her items get sold out really fast, faster than what I can craft. So you guys really need to get on into that. I do have a discount code for you. It's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I am on a time crunch, so excuse the bare nails. Let's go ahead and get on into it. This is what we're making here. I love to show you how I make everything. Sometimes I can't do it. In this case, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. And that way you can make your own once you get your dies. First off, you will need your pieces. Here's the die here. You do get 8 pieces in a die. You get 2 sizes, a large bottle and a medium bottle. You also get the base and you also get where the shaker element as well as the lining. So that is what is used for the shaker. So here's some fun foam here from Hobby Lobby, and that's how you make your shaker. And again, you can also use that same die for the lining. And of course, this one here is for your base. So you would cut out a piece there, and that's for the base, as well as your acetate. So you'd use this part here for your acetate, and then the rest is pretty self-explanatory. There is the tag as well as the lid there. I'm also using a spiderweb die. This one is from the Pumpkin mini album, and I'm also using the spider, which I do not have shown here, but here's the spider, and this one is from the Spider Bow die set. I will have that all linked below. Okay, so once we've done that, let's get on into what I'm actually using. I am using this ribbon from Michaels. It's the Celebrated brand. Here is the SKU there. I'm also using some crochet thread. This one is from Hobby Lobby. I'm also using some of this metallic coat sewing thread. This is from Amazon. I will have it linked below. There is the, let's see, there it is. So that is the name. It's called DMC. The bat is from another die set from my stash. Okay, so let's get started. This is gonna go pretty fast. I'm gonna go glue these two together. This is fun foam from Hobby Lobby again, and that's gonna go right on top there. Alrighty, so that is set. Let's go ahead and glue the liner to the acetate, and I'm just gonna glue it like so. This is all finished, all glued up. Be careful with the glue because it can get everywhere. So if you notice here, there are some glue bits there. However, that's going to be covered, so we're not going to worry about that too much. I'm going to set it down, and I'm going to put something heavy on it. Okay, this should be all set and ready to go. Let's go ahead and fill with some mix, and I can't even remember what I used, but I can see some there. So okay, let's go ahead and put mix in there. All set. It's all glued on. Shaker bits are there. As you can see, I did glue down the ghost. I wanted the ghost to stay there. I also glued a little piece of fun foam there. That way it'll stay and not move around. So let's go ahead and finish this up. What you will need is crochet thread and some of this coat DMC thread, put them together, and we're gonna wrap around the bottle. And so there's no rhyme or reason how to wrap. I just wrap And I just keep wrapping until you see something that you like. So I glued it down here. So I'm just gonna hold that, grab the glue. Here we go. Just a dollop of glue there. And all that's gonna be covered so you will not see any of that glue residue. So let's go ahead and snip this off as close as possible. And this other side here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get the spider web. So this spider web is from the Pumpkin Mini Album Spider Web. I did use this in the last video. That's why you see a missing chunk there. But I do use my scraps, you guys. I utilize everything that I can, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue this on. It's all set to go. Now go ahead and glue the tag on, and I'm just gonna glue it a bit off center here. So first I decide how I want it to look, and I like it peeking through like so. So I'm gonna use that part. I'm gonna grab my hot glue gun, any type of glue works, and I'm just going to add a dollop there. And then finish it off. And I'm gonna put it right over here, making sure that area that I cut off is covered. So add some glue. All set there. I love how it looks. For the spider, I did curl the legs of the spider. So all I did was grab my paintbrush and just flip over these legs like that and just curl them to give them dimension. And so all I need to do is just glue it on to this piece here. And I like it like so. So I'm gonna glue that on. We're just about done here, and I can get ready to film the next video. I already have everything set for you guys, and I hope you like the next video. It's a fun one, and I always love fun projects. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie a bow with this ribbon for Michael's. Here we are, here we are. Okay, all set. Let's cut this off. It's cutting off crooked. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Goodness gracious. I wanted that longer. I really did. Okay, here we go. There we go. Let's set it in. Get some glue. Put that on. There it is. Cute little bow. Okay, need the top here. So for the top, I do use some liquid glue. There it is, there. Let's add the bat. All right, it is done. I did do this star off camera. I just love how it turned out. I went with ribbon considering time. Otherwise, I would have used the spider bow for that. Other design team members have used that, so follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration, you guys. So everyone does everything different. And I just love how they turn out. I love the black and white. I just love the bat. I just love it all. All of the French knots are so cute. I may just add some stars sporadically everywhere. I just love the star. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I have so much to share with you. Up next, I believe will be this. If not, it's going to be the pumpkin die. So either one or probably both. I may combine them both. I do have that coming very soon, so keep a lookout for that. Everything is all ready to go. All I have to do is make the video and do some stitching here and there. The pumpkin one is going to take a bit longer for me to craft. I will have a craft with me, hopefully. Cross your fingers, you guys. If not, yeah, I'll just show a project share for that one because it is lengthy. And these are pretty simple to make, so all of the skeletons will probably be in one video. Well, this concludes the video, and I will see you soon.